Silikali ya Kaundi ya Kitui Niyavithua kana Mawalyuku ala Yiendeeye Kwika Kukonya Viasala na Uungamii wa Kiw'u Kambunini ili Nene cia Uungamii wa Kiw'u Kitwasco na Kimwasco Nimaendeeye Kusyaa Matunda na Kuetea Vaita Munene kwi Kaundi ya Kitui. Ngavana Malombe na Uungamii wa Kambunini mavikite mbe wa nzama ya mbunge ya Senate ya mitume ile ya ilovia inanduni mwanya cia Kaundi ya CPIC nimaweta Mawalyuku nimaikithite athukumi Kambunini ile nimekea kithito na ni Mawalyuku mena wathima wa nzama ya CPIC alama anenganiwe vakuve mwaka umwe muvitu Benjamin mwaka na mauvo
Katoa Maulyuku manena ala Senate mwaka muvitu yenda matwaiwe ya ikwekithia utongoi wa kambuni ile ni walungala na iyo la ngalama ya uthukumi.
The issue of staff costs, I know it's not a very interesting thing, but we are multitasking as an entity because we have to make profit. So we are no longer renewing contracts for people who are not performing. For Kitui Water and for performers have no business with us. So if your contract is ended and you're not a performer, we just tell you get another place. So that has resulted to a decline in the staff costs.
Ino nuyo Senator wa Kaundi Kitui na ukiambua ni wenda wikithio wa kanamba ingwa athukumi meumvuto vathukauni na miao.
Disengagement always has a lot of pain. It's a lot of people. I hope then there is a mechanism of determining that performance. You know, a really very viable mechanism of making a determination as to who is performing and who is not performing. It can be tough actually on you, not even them. When you see people just losing livelihoods and they're just going and you don't even know where they're going.
Kitwasco is on performance contracting, where the CC Water assigned a performance contract with the chairman board of directors. Myself, I've signed a contract with the chairman and I've cascaded it down to the managers. I know the issue of culture change. You could be a performer but rot in terms of illegal connections and all that. So character also, Honorable Senator, is something we are looking for. So we are very fair to people, very fair, sometimes even too motherly.
You must remember that was our recommendation from the previous meeting. Performance contracting. So I'm glad that you're implementing that.
Kinene cha kutania ni kana Kiw'u Yiendeeye kwambata ki Vaita kuisianiwa na wasio vauiti nani.
In the old tariff, the average per cubic cost was 85 shillings. In the new tariff, the average cost per cubic is 190 shillings.
When we appeared before the Senate last time, they made a number of recommendations or reforms we are supposed to undertake. And virtually all those reforms have been undertaken.
Inge Governor Julius Malombe Niyavithua wasio Viasala ni akiwene wende kuoleka kuisianiwa na vauiti nani atonzama ya CPK enda kilimo cha wasio kite.
Is it from some dilapidated pipes in your system? Is it from your distribution networks? Is it from some construction that are going on in the county that are busting pipes? Is it vandalism?
To us, actually, we know this is the thorn in the flesh. We've already been given a target by His Excellency the Governor, which as a management we must meet. We said we must be at 35% by close of the next financial year, which starts in a month's time.
But remember, the target is below 25. Yes. So even at that 5, you'll still be in breach. Yeah, you have to find a way of just pushing it to 25. That should be the threshold.
Vilingwa mauvo kumavamu sinilovi Janita Benjamin mwaka.